Hello, my name is Lysandra, Sales and Support Manager for gymGo. Today I'm going to take you through a short demo of how gymGo can help you manage your business as well as hopefully grow your client base. What you see here is your customized gymGo page. You'll have your own custom link that you can share with clients via social media, email, your website, any way that you see fit. This page is customizable, so the black and the green that you see, those would be your colors, as well as your logo up here in the top left corner and your company name. Your clients will be able to come to this page to do everything that they need to do to train with you online. They'll be able to sign up for their classes here. You have the ability to add waivers to all of your classes, and once a client completes the reservation, it will check to see if they have an appropriate package or membership available to take that class. Once they complete the purchase process, their reservation will be complete, and they'll be able to go over to their schedule to view the reservation as well as join the virtual class. Now, you can also use this client page for any in-person training that you're doing, whether it's personal training appointments or classes that you're running in your studio. Clients can also go through these pages over here on the left to view any memberships you have available for purchase, any packages that are available. They can view all of your instructor profiles, as well as view your video on demand content that you are selling. Now I'm going to take you over to the instructor dashboard. This is where you would manage everything in your account. I'm going to take you to the calendar page. On this calendar, again, you can schedule in-person training as well as online training. When you click into one of your classes on the calendar, you'll be able to see anyone who's reserved for the class. You can add clients from this page. You can also send a message before a class. You have the ability to edit class details, and you have a reservation link that you can send out to get people to sign up for your class. From here, you would enter the video preview area when you're ready to join your online virtual training class. Once you enter the video preview area, you'll see that your camera and microphone are working, and from there you can join your live class. I'm going to take you down to the Media Hub over here. The Media Hub is where all of your live session recordings will be stored, as well as any pre-recorded videos that you upload or PDFs and images. Any of these files can be stored here in the Media Hub, which you can then share with clients based on their email, a membership, or a package that they have on their account. From there, you can also go into the Media Store and you can start creating your on-demand content. Now, this content can be video rentals, it can be videos that you're selling, it can be packages of videos and PDFs. It could also be programs that span over a few weeks' time, and they have different content for each week. You're able to do all of that with this, put a price on it, and that is stored in the video store for your clients to purchase. A few more quick features I'm going to show you. We have client forms. This is the ability for you to create fillable forms, whether it's a client intake form, a part Q, maybe you do a survey for after a program. Your clients will get this with the link that you send them, and they can fill out the form and submit it to you all electronically. We also have a Communications Hub, and the Communications Hub allows you to send automated communications that are triggered on by events that your clients are doing in the system. So whether it's signing up for a class, creating an account, purchasing a package or a membership, you create the emails. These can also be text messages or web app notifications. And when those triggers are met, the client will get the notification or the email. You can also send out reminder emails for class, and you can send out one-time emails that need to go to your whole client base. So those are some of the main features that we have. We also have many other features, and if you're interested in learning more, I recommend going over to gymgo.com and starting your free trial.